Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take the Salesforce exam. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to learn anything about the learning path or the learning process or taking certification exams of Salesforce, you will need always to head to the trailhead.salesforce.com. It is a platform of Salesforce for learning and passing your uh, exams and certificates. So basically, you can have the learning path. So if you want to learn more about anything, and it can be a role-based, or you can, for example, choose modules, etc. But what we are interested in is to take exams or certificates. So basically, you will need to go to credentials, and of course, you will need already to have an account in the trailhead.salesforce.com. So basically, after clicking on the credentials, we go and have or click on certificates, and basically we go to Salesforce, the role that you want. For example, you want to pass an exam for Salesforce designer. After that, we will find all the certificates that concerning this role. So basically, those are the designer certificates for Salesforce, and you will need just to click on schedule now, and you will be able to pass the exam. For example, you want to have Salesforce developer certificates, then you will need just to see the one that suits you or the one that you would like. And basically, you can be a JavaScript developer. You will schedule now, and then you will be able to pass an exam after logging in or registering to this platform. So basically, this is the way to do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.